लोगों की ये समझ है, स्पेशली द न्यू एज पेरेंटिंग, की नो नहीं बोलना चाहिए.
We have a choice to choose what has worked and to discard what has not worked.
हमारे साथ जो पेरेंटिंग हुआ सही से शायद नहीं हुआ.
You are what you are. I am what I am because of them. Yes, we can get our feedback from our children as well.
They need structure, they need a leader.
Probably this is not going to be liked by
I'm-
a lot of people, but not to consider your children as your equals.
करंट वर्कफोर्स में है जो अभी 20 साल के हैं, दे हैव अ वेरी हार्ड टाइम रिटेनिंग अ जॉब.
Be very wary of social media guidance, as in there is a lot of great stuff that is being put up there, but do you have the ability to filter out where it is really guidance for you or where it is just like it's pushing you back into a comparison mindset? Are you just copy pasting?
बच्चों के साथ डील कैसे करना चाहिए, और वाई डू सो मेनी पीपल हु फील दैट दे आर रेडी नाउ टू बिकम पेरेंट्स, and they become parents and they are amazing individuals, but why do after some time these parents end up feeling that, you know what, we are not doing a good job? Why is a boundary important, or why a boundary is important for children? या फिर as parents, how do we also evolve with our children, and how does real life scenarios affect your parenting, because real life is still going on as much as your parenting is going on, so both are running parallelly. So today let's hear from Aarti Shah, our esteemed guest and my very dear friend. I'm so happy to have you, Aarti, here on Judge Me Not. Thank you for coming.
Super thrilled.
How has it been for you, Aarti? I mean, what have you been up to these days, and what have you managed to do in the last so many years?
Definitely started off, if I talk about being a parent and all that, definitely started off as a complete, stay-at-home mom, and very happily, and that was so many years ago, and always very thrilled with that decision. And it was also at a time when, a lot of other people who were my generation were actually saying, no, we'll take careers, people who were with me, and I was very proudly like, no, this I want to be with, I want to be a homemaker, and I want to be with my children. So it started there, and there was this feeling that it shouldn't be so difficult. It'll be fine, and more so because, hey, I am also from that field. I am from the field of child development.
Correct.
I've trained teachers, and I'm in that education field. So I started off with that, full of optimism, as all parents do, I believe. A lot of ready to give, ready to kind of be there, and of course, things did pan out in the way I wanted in many ways, and in many ways they didn't. And so through the journey, I discovered that actually I didn't know much, which was very humbling. It took me a long time to
You're saying humbling now, but it must have been like
shocking,
frustrating.
Oh, I was in denial. I will outright say that because there is a certain, I'm supposed to be an expert. And, when you realize in what happened, I mean, yes, I do know a lot of theory. I do know, I have probably trained other people for their children. But when it comes to your own,
it's a different
ball game.
और ये जो पेरेंटिंग कोचिंग का कॉन्सेप्ट है, और इनफैक्ट इवन पेरेंटिंग, राइट, ये बहुत नया भी है. Of course, our parents were also parents and they were doing parenting in their own way.
Yes.
But ये just पिछले 20 सालों में suddenly you're seeing a lot of challenges. एक तो अच्छी बात यही है कि ये भी है कि parents want to do better. For their family. Maybe they have recognized कि हमारे साथ जो parenting हुआ was सही से शायद नहीं हुआ, which to be honest I also used to say, but I am what I am today because of everything that my parents did. Now right, wrong, good, bad, पता नहीं क्या है, but when you told me that कि just see the effect of that particular behavior today as a child, what did you pick up and how has that impacted you today? I think that was really life changing for me. um, but you know 20 सालों में अभी पेरेंट्स और जागृत हो गए हैं, दे आर बिकमिंग मोर कॉन्शियस, मोर इवॉल्व्ड, एंड they want to know more.
That's the amazing part. I will also say this, that sometimes can become, a blessing can sometimes become a little bit of a curse.
How come?
I've been you would be obviously aware that there is a lot of information about mental health, mental conditions. Something that was only behind closed doors in a psychologist's, in a therapist's room is now out on the internet.
Yeah.
A lot of vocabulary is used, technical vocabulary is used very loosely.
Yes.
And while it's great that people are aware, I know, but there's a lot of self-diagnosis, there is a lot of over-interpretation. So similarly is happening in the field of parenting. So that's when an exercise like what you said kind of sets it in the right perspective that, okay, what was so bad a damage that happened? And can we also look at what were some of the good things? So that's why, the whole exercise of going back, looking back, and a little gratitude, which we now encourage a lot more. That listen, what do you have right now? And as you so beautifully said that, you are what you are, I am what I am because of them. I wouldn't be here, first of all.
Correct.
And there is so much to cherish and celebrate from our ancestry. And as with everything else, we have a choice. We have a choice to choose what has worked and to discard what has not worked, to check.
Correct.
And again, this whole thing that, your journey is not going to be your child's journey. So your journey with your parents is not going to be your child's journey with you.
Absolutely.
And,
कल ही मैं अपनी नीस से वीडियो कॉल पे बात कर रही थी, and I was just telling her कि Dia, her name is Dia, she's also studying psychology now. So Dia, मैं जितना मेरी माँ को बोलती थी ना बचपन में कि मैं तो ये सब नहीं करने वाली हूँ तुम जो कर रही हो, और इवन माय मॉम इज टू स्कोल्ड मी कि स्कूल के बाद ज़्यादा टाइम बाहर मत रहो, जल्दी घर आ जाओ. आज फिर माई फ्रीडम इज़ बीइंग टेकन अवे. स्कूल के बाद मुझे बाहर गप्पे मारने के लिए फ्रेंड्स के साथ टाइम स्पेंड करने के लिए ये मम्मी मेरी ना विलन है, विलन. एंड आई यूज्ड टू टेल हर समटाइम्स, जब बगावत, बाय द टाइम आई बिकेम अ टीनेजर आई स्टार्टेड रिबेलिंग, ऑब्वियसली लाइक ऑलमोस्ट ऑल टीनेजर्स डू. एंड शी लाइक तुम जब माँ बनोगी ना तो तुम्हें समझ में आएगा. और मैंने मैं तुम्हारे जैसी माँ तो कभी
बनूंगी ना.
And I am exactly what my mother has done.
Yeah.
And of course, there are a few things, for example, harshness. And this is what I want to talk to you about. The first thing is, काफ़ी myths है या फिर काफ़ी लोगों की ये समझ है, especially the new age parenting, की no नहीं बोलना चाहिए, for example. या फिर मारना नहीं चाहिए, या फिर of course, abuse तो abuse is abuse, so वो तो any which ways at a human level only you are not supposed to do. तो बच्चों के साथ तो अलग बात है, but you're not supposed to do a lot of things. और don'ts बहुत ज़्यादा है, and do's comparatively are few, and they are absolutely contradictory to the parenting that we have received in our life. मतलब ज़्यादा मेल नहीं है कि हमने जो parenting receive किया वो पूरा का पूरा गलत है और अभी का जो है वो सही है. तो can you shed some light on reality?
This is such a important topic, and I agree with you. I've also gone through that, checking back on, what worked, what didn't work in my own upbringing, and then for my children who are now adults. And yes, I've gone through a lot of that, self-doubt. Oh God, did I do right? Did I not do right? Because children do turn around, and I have turned around and told my father that, and you have, and my children have turned around and told me and my husband. Just one thing, that is normal. I would like to say that. Then can we just normalize that? That, first and foremost, that it's okay when children turn around. That's great. It's an opportunity to do a check, quick recheck, to find out that, what you did, were you on firm ground? Or were you just blindly imitating either your own parents and grandparents or your
People
cohorts, the people around you? And if you did, maybe it's a time to say change track and actually talk that out, because in at every age it will be different. It's not like you go and outright say, oh, I'm so sorry, I made, no, nothing like that. Always remaining on that ground that, yeah, I did my best given what I knew. So that is very important. But to normalize and to look at it as a way that, yes, we can get our feedback from our children as well. And if something's not working, and they will, why won't they? Don't we, when in our closest family, or even, don't we immediately react or respond when things are not, this is not okay. If we just remove that personal part and not take it too personally, just take it as feedback. Okay, what was it? What's happening here? What's going on with, it's not always about me. It could be about my child. What is my child going through? So,
got it.
yeah, I mean, if we can just have that bit of a pause, a bit of a break, and not go into the whole spiral, which we tend to, because it's like I'm defending myself. I want to, I'm losing my power. And the feeling of powerlessness takes over. So that's one thing definitely I would say that can we normalize that,
That is very interesting,
Yeah.
Aarti, कि चलो मतलब एक pushback normal है, and then a conversation that, okay, check whether this is your consciousness, your decision.
Yeah.
Is it coming from somewhere else?
Yeah.
Even if it is coming from somewhere else, do you want to adopt it, not want to adopt it? Now
Yes.
that is something.
Yes.
Then you're also teaching the child to reflect.
Yes. There is I'm not saying all, but there are certain kinds of now approaches to parenting. They have different names. I don't need to take them. We all know. But, the more gentler approach, as you said, no saying no. But what happens is that one thing we must always remember, that not to consider, and probably this is not going to be liked by,
I
a
know,
lot
I
of
know.
people, but not to consider your children as your equals. Why not? Who are our equals? Equals are, let's say you would have your friends. When do you turn to your equals? When you just want some sympathy, a shoulder to cry on, and
Correct.
someone you can have fun with, and then that's it. But when you are going through challenges, tough times, your equals have only as much of experience and wisdom almost as you do.
Correct.
How can they be sources of comfort? How can they be sources of, guidance to you? That's when you need someone who is definitely more experienced and older. And I'd like to say this. I'm not saying that just because one is a certain age, then one is wise, and one is, or one has seen so many years of life, one automatically understands many things. But still, definitely more than the child.
100%.
So can we not destabilize our status as being a child's first leader? Children look up to us. And they look up to us not just, for their wish fulfillment, but also for containing them, for giving them the certain channels, because their desires, they are not able to control. Their emotions, they're not able to control. So they are very much looking towards us that, listen, when I'm out of control, I look to you. Please, hold me, guide me, be there. Don't say always a yes to me. And, and when we say no, it's not like we are not saying no. Do we, when a child wants to experiment curiously, out of curiosity, and put her hand into the fire, would you say yes?
Of course not.
Yeah, we wouldn't. So we do say no. It's just that what we say no to, we have got a very fixed idea that, okay, if there's any physical harm, I'm going to say no. But what we're not understanding is that since we are the leaders, we have to train them for their mental mindset growing too, where they are going to deal with challenges that are not always physical. Okay. So to develop that ability to face a challenge, to ask for help, to deal with, the emotions that any challenge throws up, what we call as self-regulation.
Right.
uh, they look for us, towards us. And if we are only not going to, we're going to, you do what you want, or you're free to do it, now they're lost.
Children need structure.
They need structure.
They need structure. They
absolutely
thrive in structure.
right. They get a lot of security. It's very predictable, it makes the routines. So, in any school now, that's something that's going to be my next project. So our whole idea is that you have routines. That's why we have routines at home as well. We do stick to more of, again, body routines, where it's food and sleep and all.
Right.
But we need to introduce a lot of more mental routines as well. Routines for gratitude, routines for, being in silence, routines for appreciation, and so many other things, which we can, elaborate.
Yes.
But yeah. So
They
yes,
need structure. They need a leader, is what you're saying. And
Yes.
you're right, because they say na कि parents are the children's role model. To role model leader hota hai.
Exactly.
And you know what, Aarti? Because somehow this whole approach of not saying no or giving freedom, we'll talk about that also.
Yeah, yeah.
कि where is freedom, and where is freedom just छोड़ दिया
Yes.
किसी को अपने destiny पे, and without checking, right? we'll discuss that as well कि freedom मतलब क्या.
Yes.
क्योंकि I think the previous generation probably felt that we were so trapped, or we did not get to make life choices because our parents were strict, or they were controlling,
Yes.
or overprotective, or whatever
Yes.
you want to call that. And that is why we will now give our child the entire freedom of the world.
Yeah.
We will earn money for the child, so that जो मैं नहीं खरीद पाया मेरे बचपन में, वो मेरे बच्चे को मिले. And as a result of that, what I'm seeing of this generation of current employment, जो करंट वर्कफोर्स में है, जो अभी 20 साल के हैं या 20-21 साल के हैं, दे हैव अ वेरी हार्ड टाइम रिटेनिंग अ जॉब. एंड रीजंस, इफ यू आस्क देम, आर मैं किसी के अंडर काम नहीं कर सकता, नंबर 1. नंबर 2, मुझे कोई इंस्ट्रक्शंस दे, मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगता. There is of course, there is a quit and move on mentality also that has come in, and not upgrading the skill set in the current job for a certain point of time. And lot is measured by the value of money only.
Yes.
Also in terms of social behavior, corporate behavior, social behavior, a lot of other things that we learn and we get honed through the process. And it's becoming a very tough time to retain people, to retain jobs, and that is probably, ये जो न्यू एज पेरेंटिंग है जो 20 साल पहले शुरू हुआ है.
Yeah. The patience, the resilience is somewhere less missing. The time needed, the efforts needed before it immediately comes to fruition. So yeah. But before I say that, I'll say yes. If to begin with, when you said, if the generation that is now parents felt that they were controlled and all, and they want to change, I'll say okay, that's great. That's great. But change as just a reaction to we won't do that is still being in that same ignorant loop. So why not first start getting an education?
Right.
Getting an education as to what worked and what didn't work. And because no point throwing the baby out with the bathwater. Everything that was done, to bring you up, again, the first thing that we talked about right in the beginning, was not wrong. So But who will tell you that? How will you figure that out? So get an education, get some kind of from wherever guidance. Of course, the other thing here with guidance, and I'll just add this part. I know it's slightly branching out.
It's okay.
Be very wary of social media guidance. As in, there is a lot of great stuff going that is being put up there, but do you have the ability to filter out where it is really guidance for you, uniquely you, or where it is just like it's pushing you back into a comparison mindset? Everyone's doing it, I do it. Is it trendy? Then I do it. Is
Right.
it something that's is it, are you just copy pasting, or are you genuinely understanding that, okay, this particular thing said by this influencer or by this particular expert can be applied to me? So that I would say, be wary. It helps to
Filtering. Filtering
definitely
is
develop
necessary.
the ability to have the filter. So get an education, I'll say, because parenting, this has been said again and again, that is one of the most important roles that we play of growing a human being. And we don't get ourselves educated. There is no certificate, there is no degree, there is nothing. You can just
Work
forget
experience.
nothing at all. So now comes the other thing, that are we, when as part of our parenting, when we are indulging them, when we are saying a yes each time, we're providing them things that sometimes they have not even asked for. All right, one aspect is, are we really preparing them for the real world? Because your child is with you in your house now. As you said, a lot of them are only children. They're getting everything. Okay. Now when they go out into the work world, as you rightly noted, they have to share, they have to collaborate, they have to cooperate, they have to, and if those skills are not getting developed in the house or in their life, then naturally what has happened, they are just going to think that the way I have been brought up as the king, the little king or the little prince, so in my house I will be treated like a little prince at the
Outside,
workplace,
yeah.
or wherever else I go, where it will be me, myself, my needs first.
पर ऐसा होता नहीं है.
ऐसा तो होता ही नहीं है. Now suddenly this child is puzzled, is confused, is angry, is frustrated,
Doesn't want to deal with it.
disillusioned, feels what happened. I worked hard at school, I aced all the subjects, I got good grades, I went into a good college, but everything was micromanaged by the parent, made very comfortable, very easy, given now you would remember, and I would remember, we had exams, we had all kinds of exams, and it was not like that everyone's schedule was around our exams for us to perform well. Somewhere that has taken up, in the past generations of parents, oh, my child's exams are there, so this will stop, that will stop, our outings will stop, our we have to,
Right.
everyone else has to put their life kind of on hold, I'll put my life on hold. And that's considered as parenting, that's sacrifice. Is it? So we need to question that is that I have sent my child to this hobby class, that singing class, that dance class, that swimming, that sport class. Is that parenting? And for the longest time, Sonal, I also felt that when I was doing a lot of those things, maybe not as much as a lot of my other peers were, but still, and I felt, oh yeah, like, look, I'm giving my time, look, I could be doing other things, I could be doing a job, but was that really part of parenting? Or was it that whenever my child said, I've asked her and she has said yes, she's committed to, say, a drawing class or even a dance class or something, and then every time it comes, she's, now I'm not in the mood. I'm not saying she did it, I'm saying if she did that, or whenever she did that, or whenever he did that, or other children do that, and they say, no, now I don't want to go. How was I then? Or how was my husband then? Or how were you then as a parent?
और ये relationships में भी दिखता है, right? When you know how to honor your commitment, when you know that, so there is actually this little prince syndrome. Okay.
Yes.
कि life has been very cushy. I mean, I've had people I've counseled who've come to me saying that, you know, this week was very bad. I'm like, okay, what happened? And they're like, my dad refused to buy me a car. Now I have to go on a bike all the way to my office every single day in this heat and sometimes in the rain. Oh my God. I mean, why does he have to be so brutal? And of course, in family therapy, I talked to the father, and he was like, you know, आजकल के बच्चे उन्हें थोड़ा भी ये and he also said ये मेरी गलती है.
Yeah.
I have given my son everything. And now I have realized, you know, ये मूवी आई थी बहुत थोड़ी पुरानी, बहुत पुरानी भी नहीं है, अमिताभ बच्चन और अक्षय कुमार की, वक्त, I think.
Okay.
Where was it Waqt? Where the, you know, he's also a little prince, you know, he's grown up in absolute privilege. And then the father, he finds out that he has he has a terminal illness and he's not going to live long. And he sees that my child hasn't learned responsibility.
Yes.
And then he puts the child out of the house. He throws him out. He's like, now you're on your own. And he's in shock. And he's not developed those skills
Yeah.
of frustration tolerance, pain tolerance, resilience, self-control,
Yeah.
honoring commitments, value system, a strong ethic.
Yes.
जो बहुत 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 important है even in their personal relationships. And that is why possibly ये जो breakups हो रहे हैं every now and then,
Yeah.
और so easily divorces are happening so easily. अभी तो किसी को शॉक भी नहीं लगता किसी का
Yeah.
डिवोर्स हो रहा है तो,
That's
राइट?
true.
इट्स बिकमिंग सो कॉमन क्योंकि वो एक एथिक कि चलो मेरे और मेरे हस्बैंड के बीच में और मेरे वाइफ के बीच में कॉन्फ्लिक्ट है, बट आई कैन डील विथ इट. या फिर किसी ने कुछ बोल दिया, क्रिटिसाइज कर दिया, तो आई कैन टॉक टू माई सेल्फ एंड आई कैन बिल्ड अप. यू नो, हम वर्कआउट करते वक्त
Yes.
किसी खुद से बात करते रहे
Yes.
कि चलो वन मोर यू कैन डू इट, पुश योर सेल्फ. ट्रेनर भी बात करता है कि जस्ट वन मोर. वो सेल्फ टॉक बहुत नेसेसरी है
Yes.
टू ग्रो.
Yes.
पर वो अगर बिल्ड ही नहीं हुआ है थ्रू लाइफ सर्कमस्टांसेस,
Absolutely. Yes.
तो आप खुद से क्या बात करते हो कि दुनिया ही खराब है, वो इंसान ही खराब है,
Yeah.
मुझे नहीं सहन हो रहा. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू पुश दिस पर्सन अवे, आई एम गोइंग टू पुश दिस जॉब अवे, आई एम गोइंग टू पुश एवरीबडी अवे, एंड इट लीड्स टू इवन मोर फ्रस्ट्रेशन कि
Yeah.
नाउ व्हाट.
And you know, what happens is externally, like instead of normally one says that, you know, how do you get ready for life, that you slowly learn to develop a thick skin, don't take everything personally, but you keep your heart soft. Okay, so you are ready to face, but you're also ready to understand, be compassionate, don't lose out on that. अभी ऐसे लग रहा है जैसे उल्टा हो रहा है कि skin is getting thinner and thinner, but the heart is then getting more and more hard, less forgiving. It's mine, I won't give you. And and a lot of fighting between even siblings or even, you know, parents. And paise pe everything is, it's mine, mera hai, tumko main nahi dunga. Your child will learn everything about the world with you, but will not learn those skills of how to engage with another human being, a peer or an adult other than you. तो you are restricting your child's world. तो वैसे भी अगर स्कूल में each child is going to be like an island, living in isolation, मैं मेरा डब्बा मेरा ये, तो फिर क्यों भेज रहे हो? Okay, so this what you were saying कि very essential to get this kind of training across, जहाँ पे हम बोलते हैं कि सब मत दो. So because, you know, I didn't get it, so I give it to my child. My parents didn't give me. तो वो abundance जो हमको देना है, it's a beautiful gesture that, you know, let my child have all my abundance. It is a beautiful gesture. लेकिन इतना समझो, can you work on creating their capability to receive your abundance? जैसे if this, you know, like if this cup, okay, this cup can hold X amount of coffee. But what if I keep pouring, what's going to happen?
It's going to spill over, of course.
Wasted?
तो वो कैपेसिटी बढ़ानी ही है, and it's not always through just being gentle.
Yes.
So my pranic healing teacher, she said very beautifully that, see, when you're dealing with a child, okay, always speak with your ajna,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
will.
Hmm.
You have to be the more willful person
Yes.
in that equation,
Yes.
because from your will the child's will develop
Yes.
by learning from you.
Beautiful.
If you are pleasing the child will learn people pleasing
Yes.
only.
Yes. They will never
कुछ
learn
नहीं
to hear a no.
Correct.
They
So
will not
Ajna,
say it also.
correct,
सुना ही नहीं है ना.
सुना ही नहीं है. अजना से बात करनी है, पर दिल में lots of love,
Yeah.
so that it doesn't come across as a harsh,
Yeah.
ruthless
Yes. Yes.
message.
Yes.
First of all, thank you. I am so grateful to you that you have been there in my life during a very crucial phase. I had just delivered,
Yeah.
and I remember, so my daughter had evening colic, or I don't know what, but maybe she was picking up on my emotions. I had postpartum depression, and I remember I just called you with that desperation and utter helplessness. She had evening colic,
Yes.
and she would cry and howl, and you've heard Ahilya cry.
Yes.
The doctor used to be scared कि क्या मतलब इसको क्या हुआ है. I used to be panicked and scared, and जल्दी से कुछ ऐसा करो कि उसको सूद करूँ.
Yeah.
And that has become a lot of parents' mindset. कि
Yes.
whatever works, just soothe the child quickly.
Yes.
इसको नहीं खाना है ना रोटी सब्जी, तो क्या चाहिए बोलो, पेस्ट्री चाहिए, अभी ऑर्डर करके ये लो.
Yes. Yes.
Right? And I remember you that time said something, and I was thinking, is she out of her mind? Because you said, you know what, Sonal, let her cry, and you shut out her voice.
Yeah.
Just shut her out of your zone.
Yeah.
रोने दो. And I was like, what? And I did that, but I had to. I was like, मुझे एक इंसान help कर रहा है.
Let me at least try this.
Let me try it. Second thing I remember you told me, because we're talking about setting boundaries and disciplining. कैसे है ना कि, of course, you know, Ahilya came into my life after a lot of struggle,
Yeah.
right? तो मेरे लिए she is like a god. कि ये तो मेरा बच्चा बहुत special है, and miracle baby and all of that, right? So even when I was facing issues with hiring babysitters, and I told you very proudly that, you know, Aarti, my daughter picks the babysitter. And she just looks, she understands energy, you know, and
I'm fida over your candidness now, really.
and you told me that, Sonal, don't see, क्या बोला था कि जो पिरामिड है, जो ट्रायंगल, मतलब यू हैव टू बी जितना कम रखो उसके लिए डिसीजंस और चॉइसेस एट दिस एज.
Yeah.
इतनी बड़ी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी उस पर मत डालो.
Yeah.
उसको नहीं समझ में आता, वो बच्ची है. शी इज़ नॉट अ डेमी गॉड. स्टॉप ट्रीटिंग हर लाइक वन, एंड डोंट गिव हर सो मेनी चॉइसेस. ऑफ कोर्स चॉइसेस देना, विल टॉक अबाउट दैट ऑल्सो प्रॉब्लली इफ यू हैव द टाइम, कि चॉइसेस देना डिसीजन मेकिंग के लिए कितना इंपॉर्टेंट होता है वगैरह वगैरह. बट you said that you rely on your intelligence, you rely on your energy, the feeling, the vibe that you are getting from people, because she is relying on what you are feeling.
Yeah. She picks your vibes.
She is speaking on your vibes. So you asked me, are you sure it's her who doesn't like that particular babysitter, or it's you?
You.
I was in denial. I was like, no, it's her only. I'm firing her.
No, a lot
Minute
of
5:26.
kudos to you for saying this and for so candidly admitting it, and you know, looking at it as humor. Yeah, that is rare. That is rare. You were one of those. I would say, you know,
I've had my
coaches who were
journey.
so quick, so quick to do the turnaround, to accept, to acknowledge. You know, you said a very important thing, and I think that itself, I would say, is the underlying of all of this, you know, jargon, or, you know, a lot of these angles and about parenting. our energies, the what we bring in, and that was what I was trying to tell you, is very important. And today, if only a parent has to only sort their own energies, what they are bringing, their children are sorted.
Yeah.
I have seen that in my life too. I know that my son used to turn around and tell me that that I sense you're upset, and I'm like, I'm not upset with you. No, I sense you're upset. They read our face, they read our energies like how?
Yeah.
Far more than anyone else can, because that's their only job. They look at you as their leader. You may say, we call them demigods, but you are their god.
Absolutely.
They are watching every wince on your face or every flutter of your eye, and they are just studying the map of your entire emotions, your energies, and they exactly are then able to know, even before they know what you are experiencing. So
Yeah.
if we can just bring that awareness, and then they obviously then they start, if they are seeing you anxious, so like if my son saw me anxious, he got anxious, because he would immediately, oh, mom's anxious. If mom's anxious, there's something to be anxious about. So suddenly the child starts feeling, oh my God. Yeah. Or if mom is in a rush, that means the rush needs to happen. So I need to do things quickly.
Fast. Correct.
Fast. And trying to do things fast is going, for a young child, means they're going to stumble, they're going to fall, they're going to fumble, they're going to, and then we'll say, Arey, dikhta bhi nahi hai. Arey, be careful, what are you doing? But not realizing it was my energy. My energy, which was not calm enough, that actually made that happen. And this child picked that up. And when I started working on my own energies, I realized that the minute I calmed down and made it into a very small thing, whatever that was going on in my head I made it big, but in my own head, I can make it small as well. If only this, if I would say any parent can master, I saw that difference. Now my adult son comes around and tells me, it's not the same now, mom. Now you are okay. You, like, he almost has given me a little bit of a certificate. I won't say complete. And it's a lifelong journey, but
No.
looks
but-
like, he gives me that look, okay, it looks like you kind of worked on yourself. And I love that.
Wow.
Love that now.
What a validation.
Yes. And we also seek that validation. They seek it from us, we seek it from them. It's such a bi-directional process.
Yeah.
And which is why there is no manual. It's every day, every minute, every interaction, and we have a chance to grow. It's a yatra. And can we just how yatris are, they are always in bliss, always happy, singing with all the pain. Can we look at every interaction as just that?
I think, Aarti, what really maybe, okay, just something just came to mind. Look at all the world leaders. Look at all the people in positions of power, successful people. And also let's look at people who are successful and happy, and but I say anyway, happiness is a very, very subjective term.
Yeah.
But because we all want our kids to be successful and
Yes.
intelligent and
Yes.
rich and everything, right? And happy as well. We probably also need to look at how are these people parented? Number one, how are these people schooled? And this person is a product of that
Yes.
environment.
Yes.
Where did one of the topmost businessmen probably go to school?
Yeah.
Probably nowhere.
Nowhere for your dropouts.
Yeah, so many of them
So
are
many of
dropouts, right?
So many of them dyslexic,
Yeah.
but becoming presidents of countries or becoming, top
Absolutely.
researchers, scientists.
You
Nobel
watched
Prize winners.
Nobel Prize winner. 12th Fail. I don't know if you watched this movie recently. It's,
I've heard about. Yeah,
please watch it.
I know. It's been on my.
Where did this man come from? Literally nowhere, right? So, sometimes as parents, I feel this generation, we want the best child. We want the best environment for our child. But are we willing to put them through that
grind
yeah
process, the pain?
to
Yeah.
just
Very true.
lead them there.
Yes. There's no pain, no gain. It is really true that they need to fall, they need to develop their own muscle.
Yeah.
We can't keep hoisting them up on our shoulders because we are going to go one fine day. And even before we go, they're going to have their own lives. And how are they going? We can't. That would be horrible. They have their own family, and we can't be there to kind of be there, be like their anchor or
All
their
the
safe
time.
space. They come running to us.
True.
It's going to make a mess, and that is what is happening. Probably, as you said, that the courage to break off a relationship or get into where is that coming from?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
the resilience, the bringing
No,
back the fragile approach is really
Necessary.
necessary. Yeah, that's for sure.
Thank you, Aarti. I think this is one of the most honest, authentic, genuine conversations I've had with someone about parenting in a very, very long time. And not just parenting, but schooling, parenting,
Yes.
especially about disciplining, setting boundaries, and the entire dynamic between parents and children. I mean, I'm sure everything that you said, a lot of it is so insightful. And it shows that, you have been through that journey yourself and with other parents that you coach and guide. And so realistic, most importantly, that everything you said, I'm sure would also bring a lot of relief to parents and teachers that, okay, you know what, I'm not a bad parent. If sometimes I punish my child for something, I discipline my child, I'm not a bad parent. And I'm sure it will bring a lot of validation also to these parents. So thank you so much for being a part of my podcast.
Thank you, Sonal. Actually, it's like I almost don't want it to end. We were having the fun of our life, just going in the flow, and we can just go on and on. But thank you for giving me this opportunity, this platform, for putting it out there, whatever that came genuinely from my experience. And yeah, other than that, I just had a great time.
Same here, Aarti.